Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So today we have an otaku unboxing from Hobby Bee. Now, if you've seen my last video for Hobby Bee, I wanted to know if they were legit. I had never ordered from that company before, and as I mentioned in the previous one, they are legit. Too legit to quit. I ordered some more figures from them because I had some points accumulated to get money off, and I finally found the figure that I wanted, cashed it in, and then proceeded to get an additional 3 because I have no self-control. So here we are. It came in. It's been sitting on my floor for 2 days so that I could film this video. So I am literally dying to get in here. I wanted to open it right away, but it is what it is. So I'm gonna open this up. Oh, yes, okay. Working with a small space. Ooh, what's this? Okay, bubble wrap. Nah. Thank you for shopping. Share. Review. Oh, yes! So cute. Okay, this is just the share the review. Obviously, I'll be sharing all my review stuff. That's just what I got. We got more packaging. And, oh, I keep forgetting they send little tissues with these. I used up the first one. I put it in my purse. These are so cute and such a nice little, like, hint and stuff. And it also got all the companies that they are partnered with. So they have Good Smile Company, Tamashii Nations, 3-0, along with a few others, but I love that they put in little tissues because if you're a weeb out in public, sometimes you cry if you find a manga that you like in public. Might just be me, but whatever. It is what it is. Let's, oh my gosh, where do I start? Do I start with the Nendoroids? Do I start with the thing that I actually didn't mean to? So we have number 1, number 2, and then we got 2 big pop-up parades. Ooh, can we kind of see what it is? And number 4. Okay, so I'm gonna put the box somewhere else. So I threw away the box, or not threw it away, I just tossed it to the other side of my room, but actually before I completely de-bubble wrapped them, I just wanted to mention that they do take really good care of shipping the packages. There was lots of bubble wrap in the box for the extra space, but like this is really packed on tight bubble wrap. I mean, like, I just took Dabi out of his bubble wrap and the box is in pristine condition. I think that's one thing, especially with collectors who keep the boxes. I am for these ones. I hate when the box has been completely mangled and destroyed within the shipping. So kudos on them for bubble wrapping and keeping them safe. Thank you, Hobby Bee. But now I'm gonna get the rest of this undone and show you guys the figures. Okay, so now that I have all of them beautifully unpackaged, I'm so excited. So I've been collecting the My Hero Academia Nendoroids right now because I love the series. I think it's so cute. However, I refuse to get All Might's Nendoroid just because it looks unproportionalized, because like it's in his All Might figure. I feel like it would look so much more natural in his Small Might, but I'm like, if I'm gonna do an All Might figure, it'll have to be like a proper All Might figure, because I'll put it up on the screen, like it looks just, anyone who's seen it, just, it looks not natural. So I'm getting like every other character because they're like actual human proportions and they don't look like an actual god. We have Dabi. Dabi is one of the villains, so he will be going beside Toga, which I have right here, actually. Oh, she's sitting nice and close. She's not on the shelf right now. So this is Toga's little one. I got her in actually I think I got her in this past week. Love her. But this is Dabi's Nendoroid. I'm so happy. Oh my gosh, so cute. I'm like, it is definitely a cosplay, perhaps, in the future. And I also got Tenya, Lida, I don't know how you want to pronounce his name, but I got him too! And his little, like, giant thunder calves, his little spritzy calves. Anyone who's seen the series understands what I'm trying to get across right now. I got his Nendoroid as well, and they will obviously go beside the good guys. Right now for good guys, I have Deku, Bakugo, Todoroki, Lida, and then I still need Sue and Ochako, but they are sold out right now. And the hand guy, I can't remember his name, but you know, the one that likes hands and needs moisturizer. So I also need them, but they are sold out right now, so I have to wait for them to come back in stock. I'm sure they will, but not right now. Moving on to the big figures, the pop-up parades. We have Megumin, anyways, We have her from Konosuba. I love this anime so much. I think it's absolutely hilarious, and the beginning of it, I don't want to spoil it because like it's really funny. But basically, the main guy gets isekai'd, but he was actually like not into another magic world, and they have to go fight people, you know, standard isekai things into a magical world. Anyways, she likes to blow shit up, so I'm about that, and she's a pretty dope character. I really want her big figure. It like looks like her in like a swirl of gonna blow stuff up, but it's like $300 or $400, and I'm not sure if I'm willing to spend that on a figure yet. So, but I got her pop-up parade, and the thing about pop-up parades I like is that the figures look really nice, but they're only like $60 to $80 generally, so they're like actually, you know, somewhat affordable. And the one that I actually went to go get to spend my points on was this one here, Aqua from Konosuba as well. I love her. She's a god, but she's also really useless, and I love her so much. Ugh, when she was throwing up rainbows because, you know, animating barf. Bleh. Love this so much. She is such a funny character. She's also like apparently super OP, but she's also like it's hard to explain. I love her character though, and I definitely wanted her pop-up parade. I think it's just so cute. I love it so much. Alright guys, well that is it for this otaku unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it. I will try and put the links for these items as well in the description. This is not sponsored. These were not gifted. I'm just obsessed with figures recently. So, and I'm here to share the love. I will also leave their website in the description below if you want to check it out. So, but that is it for this video. I love you guys a lot, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!